if you want to give us a sentence to the people of America about the country of Iran, what would that be?
Speak to the camera. Tell them how you feel.
I would honestly say you can't know anything about it until you come and see the place and meet the people. And what you see on TV just talks of politics and little government officials. And what really matters is the people. And across the world, people are all the same. You know, they all just have families. They want to get along, want to have fun. Come to Iran.
Iranian people is very good.
Come here.
Don't be afraid.
we will for sure come again. So,
oh, okay. Yeah. Great.
Well, the people are very nice. It's what you hear all the time. Yeah. So it's maybe a bit stereotypical almost.
Pleasant. It's so nice and so easy. The food is great. The people are great. We've gotten used to not having a beer.
Come back. To come here as quickly as possible.
About Hafiz?
Yes. Yes.
And you knew before you came?
Yes,
yes finally.
Very good.
Come to Iran and you will, knowing the people and the places, they're very kindly, the people, the places are very beautiful, the history is great.
So I think you should definitely visit this country. It's very nice, very friendly, and people are great.
Just go to Iran. It's a really beautiful country with lovely people.
I think it's a country worth visiting. It's an interesting country. It's very mysterious, and the young people are very welcoming indeed. So if you want a different, interesting holiday, come to Iran.